Yo, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TECHDROIDS, and today let's unbox the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus in this video. They were launched in India today and I had the chance to check it out. Thanks to Samsung for that. And yeah, let me take you guys over the box accessories and some of the cool things that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus come with. Also, don't forget to check out my top 5 features video on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, which is coming soon. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into it. Starting off with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus unboxing. I'll be unboxing only one of them for you because both the accessories are same, but the phones are different. So I'll show you the phones. But getting into the Galaxy S9's box, Samsung has paid some attention here, and the quality of the box itself and the packaging itself is really good. First up, you have the small packet, and then later on you have the Galaxy S9 itself in midnight black. Take off the plastic and it's a fingerprinty phone. Other than that, the box contains the fast charger, that is the wall brick, then a USB connector from USB Type-C to normal USB-A. You have a free silicone case and also quick start guide, and a USB Type-C cable, and some AKG tuned custom headphones with some additional ear tips. These are really good actually, and props to Samsung for including those. Now getting to the S9 Plus, quick unboxing. Galaxy S9 Plus in coral blue. Again, take off the sticker and there it is, the fingerprinty Galaxy S9 Plus. And then the box accessories are pretty much the same thing. So you have the charger, the adapter, the headphone and the cable. So there's no point in unboxing both of these again. And that's been it. This is a quick unboxing video and nothing else. My top 5 features video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Thumbs up for this one and thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.
We've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss, you can fall back. Yeah, I swear I remember some. The top is where I'm going when I'm there, I'm wasn't all that.